What's up, y'all? Walleye season opened the other day, so today I'm gonna make another trash video of me catching smallies and walleyes and whatever else, quillback or whatever I can run into down at River No Tell 'em. Gonna be jigging. Should be a pretty hot bite. Alright, down here at River No Tell 'em, casting all sorts of googly baits out there. This was a swim bait, but it's getting torn up by the walleye. All I'm doing is casting out in the riffles, jigging it back to me pretty aggressively. And walleye and smallmouth bass have been hitting all afternoon to this. I got a decent bass. Working a little swim bait jig in the riffles. Cool. Right on. Nice solid 17 to 18. Very cool. He's stuck on something. I got him. Hold on. Coming in. You stand back, Don? Thanks. I got it. Don't worry about it. I got it. Yeah. Oh, my bad. Another decent smallie. Cool. Yeehaw. Yeah, girl. Can't walk out of that island. It's too deep. So I gotta drag them over the island, which is obnoxious, but that's what we have to do. Is there really? It's an eyeball. Coming in, Don. It's a keeper. Cool. Nice keeper eye, 19 inches maybe. Right on. Yeah, for a second. Now he's back down. Holy shoot, man. Walleye? Looks like a walleye. Yeah. Nope, there he goes. Maybe not. Trick is pulling them around the shit in the water right there. It'd be a lot easier if I could wade out to that island. Feels like a walleye to me. Decent walleye. No, just a little one. It's a good one. What? I can't understand you. I really feel bigger than they are. Cool. There's one. Gotta hork them in so they don't get in that tree to my left. They keep going into it. Come on, baby. Feels like an eye. I want to limit out before I leave here. I don't think it's I think it's a bass. Shoot. Oh well. Really not fighting much for a bass. Huh. Yep. Decent smallie. Typical. Oh, he's not that big actually. You deceived me, little one. Nice walleye. Awesome. That's a keeper. Right on. I threw back all those shorts, or ones that were close to shorts. That one should go 16 or so, or close to it. I'm on fourth walleye. Fourth keeper, I mean. That's what I want. Yeah, looks like that's what I got. I got a good one. Nice. Just on this little swimbait jig with the paddle tail cut off by some fish out there. Skinny, but definitely long enough to be a keeper. Hopefully this is keeper number 5 and not just some bass. It is a walleye. I don't know if it's a keeper though. It might be a little short. Looks a little, yeah, he's a short. Need a bigger one. I got it. I got her all buttoned up. I want to stay out of those sticks. There we go. Atta girl. Atta girl. There's a walleye. Well, there's a keeper. That's exactly what I'm looking for. 5th keeper. Probably could have limited out before this with the ones on the edge of 15, but I don't like to play with fire. That's a nice solid keeper right there. Cool. 17, 18. Skinny but nice. Limited out, boys and girls. Especially you girls. Yeah, girl.
Stole my fish, Galati.
Don took my soybeans. Or I took his soybeans. That's right. What is it? I don't think. It's an eye? Cool. Pop this one off and throw it back in because I already got my limit. Cool. It's a legal one. It's a carp. The big old carp. Wow.